We moved from images and now I want focus on tables. I want to create a simple table with HTML. I delete this one and refresh. Save and refresh. I use table tag for creating table in HTML. Then create a table row or TR and close the TR. Now I want set my table header. My table header, I want set name and education. I use th tag. Name and another th is education. Save, refresh. There you go, name and education. Now I want set my table data. Create another tr and I want set table data or use td tag. My name is Atef. Close the tag and my education is information technology and web development designer. Information technology. Okay, save. There you go, Atef information technology. Use another one, create another tr tag in table data. Use, for example, Jack, and he is architect. Fantastic. Another one and create another tr. Create td Kate and psychologist. Save, refresh. Fantastic. First I set my table header, then set my table data, name and education. Atef information technology, Jack architect, K psychologist. You created a table with HTML. Next, I want to talk about links. Good luck.